parang tingin nyo tuyo na talaga. Kasi even if you think they are stable, lalo na kapag maliliit pa, meron pa ding chance na mag-rot and will eventually die. So, to prevent that from happening, avoid... Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, makikita nyo naman meron tayong dalawang maliliit dito. So, what we are going to do here is to cut them both. Kasi nga, baka maunahan tayo. Alam nyo naman, explain ko before that those plants na naka-attach sa mother plant, may tendency kasi na mag-rot yung mother plant while lumalaki yung shoot, guys. So, pag naunahan tayo, baka mag-rot yung mother plant and ma-infect pati yung shoots. So, we'll try to find ways on how we can detach them from the mother plant para mapasurvive namin sila both. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bells, you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! Dahil po this past few days palagi pong umuulan, ayan, makikita nyo naman, almost nag-dried up na siya or nawawala na nga yung water na usually nagsistay dyan, pero sobrang slippery naman niya. So, delikado pag naglalakad-lakad ka dyan. Madudulas ka talaga. So guys, for those who are just starting out, especially yung mga kasisimula pa lang na mag-alaga ng philodendrons, you might wanna start with these ones, guys, kasi hindi po sila mahirap alagaan and hindi po sila ganun ka-pricey, but still as beautiful when taken care of. So, eto sila, guys. This is green dragon lang ba yan or the golden dragon?
Golden dragon.
So, this is a golden dragon, guys. But for now, hindi po siya nagpapakita ng sobrang variegation, especially kapag baby pa. But as it grows mature or kapag tumatanda na, doon na natin makikita na merong mga marks yung leaves niya na makikita nyo talaga na variegated siya. So, there are really a lot of photos of Philodendron Golden Dragon or the Lime Fiddle that you can see online, guys. So, ito siya. Baby pa siya, so you can see na pure green pa lang. While this one is the Philodendron Tricolor. Well, depende kung ano yung tawag nyo dito. This is, hindi ko na maalala kung pang ilang cut na to from the mother plant. This is the mother plant that we have. Sobrang tagal na nito, guys. As in, parang a year ago pa. Almost 2 years na to sa amin. And still nagbibigay pa din ng mga baby sa amin. So this one is intended to be given to my friend. Kaya ikakat namin siya ngayon. But every time nagbibigay kami, we try to make it as stable as it is before we give it away. Para sure kami na walang mangyayari sa kanya. So eto siya. Sobra pong palaging umuulan talaga. And as what I have mentioned, those plants that we have before, especially yung mga mother plants, guys, we are still using soil and habang umuulan, parang nauubos na yung soil niya. So, let's see kung ilang roots ba meron siya. Not really sure din ha kung madami ba. Pero dalawa kasi silang mga shoot na kukunin namin. So, hindi kami sure kung enough na ba talaga yung roots niya para ma-propagate namin. Etong isa sobrang kawawa tingnan yung soil. Parang nabato-bato na. Pero soil po talaga yan. As in pure garden soil. Usually pag mother plant, wala po kaming ginagawang changes, lalo na kapag okay naman yung tubo. Doon na kami bumabawi sa mga shoots kapag ginakat na namin, doon na kami naglalagay ng mga soil spotting media. Lalo na ngayon, as in everyday talaga umuulan and hindi lang basta ulan. As sobrang malakas na ulan, guys, na nangyayari everyday. So kawawa talaga tong mga plants na nandito, especially yung mga hindi pa napapalitan ng potting media. So, we'll try to repot most of them if hindi man lahat magagawa ng paraan kasi yung mga mother plants na medyo sanay naman sa kung ano yung potting media na meron sila, hindi na namin ginagalaw, lalo na kapag merong mga shoots na inilalabas para walang madidistorbo. Ilang roots kaya meron siya?
Magdadalawang
roots pa siya, guys. But so far, as we have noticed, Philodendron Green Dragon or Philodendron Golden Dragon, pare-pareho lang po sila, almost pare-pareho lang. It's just that nagva-variegate siya kapag tumatanda itong Golden Dragon. Hindi po sila mahirap alagaan and they grow really fast. So, perfect talaga sila sa mga gustong mag-start, mag-collect ng Philodendrons, pero masyadong time na mag-alaga sa kanila. Kasi ito guys, wag nyo lang, ngayong mga panahong to, just don't let it be exposed in the rain, lalo na kapag bagong propagate, bagong tanim, yung mga ganon, iniiwasan natin yung root rotting. Marami na akong nagiging problema dito. Yung mga hindi pa nakaka-recover, nakikita namin everyday, and natatakot din ako baka meron talagang mag-rot. Di talaga maiiwasan yun. Ito sobrang victim ng ulan talaga to. Kasi nasa baba to nakalagay. So, hindi talaga niya maa-avoid every time na malakas yung ulan na mabasa siya. So, baka kasi mag-rot talaga yung mother plant niya. So, delikado yon, lalo na at for us, ewan ko kung ano yung lifespan ng mga ganitong plants. But for us, matanda na talaga siya. So, prone to rotting na talaga. Hindi na maiiwasan yon, and wala na kaming magagawa kasi matanda na nga tong mother na to. So as much as possible, we will be trying to save whatever we can. So, he has to make sure first na loose yung soil para makuha natin yung mga roots niya. Kasi we're not yet sure as well kung gaano kahaba, and kasi medyo muddy na siya, baka naiipit na siya sa ilalim. Based on previous propagations that we did, kapag maliliit pa talaga, as much as possible, we really tried to look for a pot that would really suit its size, or kung pwede, yung mga maliliit nga lang, para makakapit yung roots niya kaagad. Kasi hindi na siya mahihirapang maghanap ng pagkakapitan. Ayun, parang maiipit siya sa potting media niya. Basta, for me, yung compact siya, hindi naman compact na hindi makaka-breathe. I cannot really stress out what I'm trying to say, pero yun yung ibig kong sabihin, makakakapit siya ng mabuti. Kasi parang lahat nakahug sa kanya yun. Yun yata yung perfect explanation doon. Ayan. That shoot was somewhat like a miracle for us kasi we never thought na magkaka-baby pa siya. Although we still planted this one. Kawawa naman kasi, yung tingin mo lumang-luma na siya tapos ayaw mo nang itanim. So, parang nakakaawa. We still planted it, although sa same pot, with the same potting media, and we didn't expect na magbibigay pa din siya sa amin ng shoot. So, for us, miracle shoots na itong mga ganito. So, etong maliit na to, kahit pa natatakot kaming magratong mother plant, hindi pa talaga makakat itong ganito kaliit. So, hanggang saan niya kaya, baka lumaki pa din naman to, of course. So, we'll still leave it here. And, tingnan natin kung lalaki pa din ba to. So, we'll do the best that we can to save this. Siguro, ililipat na lang namin to ng area na hindi siya mababasa palagi para hindi siya mag-suffer. Sobrang nakakainis yung mga panahong ganito, guys. I remember last year talaga, as in lahat halos ng mga bagong labas na dahon namamatay or nalulusaw dahil sa palaging ulan. That time of the year, hindi talaga nagpapakita yung sun. Buti ngayon, lumalabas naman yung sun, pero everyday talagang umuulan, talagang walang mintes. So, eto siya ngayon, guys, nilagay muna sa bowl, both of them. And as much as you can, please do avoid watering this. Lalo na kapag tingin nyo stable na siya, ha. Wag, ayan, merong mga yung mga anak ng lamok. Ayan. Rainwater kasi yung gamit namin dito, guys. Ayan. Don't worry, they will die after this. So, as much as possible, guys, wag po palaging iwo-water, lalo na kapag tingin nyo, uy, kung naman pinapaulanan, baka nangangailangan ng frequent watering. No po, as much as possible, hayaan nyo pong matuyo yung potting media na meron siya before you decide to water it. Yung parang tingin nyo tuyo na talaga. Kasi even if you think they are stable, lalo na kapag maliliit pa, meron pa ding chance na mag-rot and will eventually die. So, to prevent that from happening, avoid frequent watering. So, that is the pot for the Philodendron tricolor, while the other one is for the Golden Dragon, which is very much smaller. But if we have two, guys, siguro of the same size, itong maliit, siguro yun talaga yung gagamitin namin. Or either way, kung ano yung babagay, if it's for the tricolor or the golden dragon, depende yun. Since nababad naman siya sa water kanina, we had to dry it up before we put some cinnamon powder on it. So we're using a tissue. Ayan, pinapahiran lang po siya. So, ayan guys, it has been wrapped with the Meliona fiber. So, ayan, ay mag-focus. So, ayan, nira-wrap siya. So, that is the Meliona fiber. And now, it's time to plant it here. Sobrang dali lang yan, guys. And then, after that, we will move on to the golden dragon, which is still inside the bowl. So, guys, first pot done. Ito na siya. And, ayan, totally soilless po siya ngayon. So, we'll make sure na hindi siya mauulanan para makarecover ka agad. And, I have had Philodendron tricolor na sobrang sensitive. That's why I have learned so much about this. So, this time, we'll try to do it differently. Hoping for a faster recovery. Ayan. Sa mga nagtanong about decomposed acacia na meron daw mga tumatakbo-takbong mga organisms, there is someone who commented about it and sabi decomposers daw yan. So, there's nothing to worry. But if you are really afraid, just like us, na natatakot talaga sa mga ganon, dun sa mga gumagapang-gapang, I do not know if you can see it dito sa pating meat niya na to. Pero, usually nakikita kasi namin yan before. And, since natatakot din kami about that, we do usually put some boiling water bago namin siya gamitin. So, pag parang dinidisinfect tapos pinapatuyo before we really use it. Pero ito parang wala na naman to eh. For the golden dragon, guys, I really thought dalawa na talaga yung root niya. But, oh my God, isa lang pala. So, papalabas pa lang talaga yung isa. So, if okay pa lang naman, if kaya nyo pang hintayin and hindi naman siya nanganganib, please do try to wait for it na magkaroon ng madaming roots. Yung sa amin lang kasi nakaka-worry lang ngayong panahon na to, baka mag-rot yung mother plant. And baka madamay patuloy siya. So, habang maaga pa, ayan, kinat namin siya. But, nag-hope din kami na makasurvive to. We'll be using the smaller pot for this. We try to make sure na firm po yung pagkakatanim para hindi siya aalog-alog para makarecover po siya ng mabilis. So guys, we are almost done for today's video. I'll get to see you when I get right into the montage. So guys, that is pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for making it till the end. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video. Thank you for watching. Bye!